everybody's having a great day today. It's your boy T. Got an $800 box, so you know I'm doing swell today. $800 box from Supremacy today. And let me tell y'all, this box right here was a straight up accident. My wife ended up getting this box for me. So if it's a bad box, y'all know who I'm blaming. But yeah, we ended up getting two of them. So I got a box, and then she lucked up and got me one also from Supremacy. So we got two $800 boxes this week. This is the first one. I'm not gonna combine both boxes in one video. I never do that. I'm gonna try to split them up for you guys, make sure I got something to post. But yeah, man, we just gonna jump in. Try not to take up too much of you guys' time today. $800 box, man. It's pretty much one of my favorite price ranges. We got a bunch of shoes came in between last week's video. Between the last video, I don't know when this one's going out. This box and then the other box I got in here in the living room. Got a ton of new stuff coming in, so be on the lookout on that TGOTSOLE for sale on IG. Man, we're gonna do the no boxes first. We got the Lucy's. We're gonna do these first. We got some big old set. What is these? I just got a pair in the last video. 380s. The Yeezy 380s. Don't ask me what the nickname are. This look like a triple black. I can tell you now, these things are huge. A triple black pair. I got a pair of size 11 of the Peppers 380s in the last box. I still got them. They were comfortable. These are size 15, man. Size 15, hardly worn. Now the good thing about this is, if you throw them online, it's not too many size 15s, I guess. I don't know how to word it, man, but basically, like, I feel like whenever you put size 15s on GOT or eBay, for me, luckily they'll sell. But like local, I don't know anybody wearing a size 15. I got one cat wearing a 14. He'll grab all of those, but 15s, I don't know nobody here in Tulsa, Oklahoma wearing a size 15 shoe. But online, I've always had local bigger sizes, so I can't even complain. We got a size 10. You guys already know from the box what this is. We got those Lucky 13s. I don't know the nickname to these. These look pretty beat though. They got that good old California scent to them, if you know what I'm talking about. These will need a good wipe me down. Size 10 on the 13. They look like they're in good shape, just need to be clean. Oh no, I'll take that back. Whoever had these was straight up skateboarding or something. Look at that heel drag. So yeah, these are gonna be a tough move. I mean, some people don't really care about the bottoms like that. I don't know. These are pretty beat though. They need a good cleaning, and like I said, that heel drag on the bottom, no bueno. Whew. That California cologne is pretty strong. We got a total of 5 pair left in this box. We got a Jordan 1 mid, unfortunately, size 10.5. Check these out. These are also pre-owned. Black, white, and gold. Not a bad colorway, just not a high. But I mean, people still been rocking the mids. I've been seeing some couple cats at the gym squatting and deadlifting in mids. I guess just because they so flat at the bottom. So patent leather on where the black is, gold check. Not bad, not even a lot of creasing. Again, could use a good cleaning, but overall, not too bad. Size 10.5, so it's a solid size. $800 box. We got a Nike Air Presto, size 10. This must be a replacement box. These are a 2020 Air Max 90. Like a triple white. These are size 10, but this is not a Presto, so these do not have the original box. Very clean. Air Max 90. Oh, I said 2020 because it has this 2020 on the deal right here, but it has a 1990 right there. Feel like a premium triple white. They look like they got leather insoles. They do have leather insoles. I don't know what's so special about these. to where they would have leather insoles, but normally they put that on the premium stuff. I'll do my research though. Some of y'all get mad when I say the Yeezys to the last, so we'll knock this Yeezy box out. It's at the bottom. We got another size 15. The Yeezy 700s. You step back. You know, when I seen images of these at first, I thought this was gonna be like a fake or somebody did some weird custom, but nope. These are 700, so the model is a little bit better than that 380, but still a big size 15. So this will probably be a pair that goes online. Probably be a pair I have sitting for a little while, but check them out. They're easy nonetheless, so they'll definitely go if I take time to post the stuff online. Not bad, not bad. At least it's not $1,000 box. Then I'll be like, damn. All right. I got a Converse box. Kim Jones Converse. I have no idea what in the Chuck Taylor going on here. They say Kim Jones on the tongue. This is a Chuck Taylor with like a platform type sole on the bottom. They're dead stock. They're 11.5 men's, 13.5 women's, dead stock. I don't know the nickname. I will have all that stuff down below. But check these out. These things look like, I don't know, look like regular Chucks on steroids or something. That's a bit much. Overkill. They got some kind of size. So I don't know. Maybe they got some special reason why they have so much material on this shoe. Box is in great shape. I mean, it could be worth some money. Last shoe. We got 10.5. Air Jordan. We got a Jordan 11. I was not expecting that in this box. Grails. 23 still intact on the back. Size 10.5. Woo! Grails. This is one of my grails right here. These are so, this shoe will never go out of style, bro. These red ones will never go out of style. These are just beautiful. They're not dead stock, but they are hardly worn. I barely see a crease in the toe box. Like the 23 still in the back, on the back. Oh, wait, I don't even know what year these were. What year? 2012. 2012, so 9 years old, no sole separation, nothing crazy like that. This is a straight come up. I'm so happy with this box. The Yeezys, 2 weird sizes, but they will go. Do my research on those Kim Johns. 13s was beaters and got a crazy smell to them. And what else do we have? Those mid ones. I mean, they mids, but they ones, so somebody will cop them. Man, make sure y'all follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. I'm super happy with these, man. I kind of want to keep those. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I kind of want to keep those. I feel like that's a pair that I sold before that I wish I would have never sold. But at the same time, your boy got a bunch of inventory, so might be time to sell or just sell something else out of the personal collection. I don't know, man. Nonetheless, man, y'all follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. For the for sale page, it's TGOTSOLE for sale. Make sure you follow me everywhere to stay updated on all that stuff. If it's on that page, it's available. Hit the eBay link. Sometimes I throw random stuff up on eBay. eBay don't charge me no fees to sell kicks, so you ain't got to pay no fees. Why not? Make sure y'all still go check out my boy. I still got this stuff right here, fresh out the box, sd.com. TGS at checkout. Save yourself some money. Have all your kicks smelling like brand new sneakers. I can't stress that enough. This was some genius stuff, man. Really good people over there too. I spray this stuff all in my room. I mean, just that scent of fresh kicks. I mean, if you're a real sneakerhead, you know what's up. But that's it, man. That's gonna do it. I'm gonna cut this video and try to get this other one shot too. Like I said, I got 2 boxes that was 800, and then There's actually a drop coming up real soon, so I'm getting ready to try to cop some more. I just want to load up. As you guys know, every now and then you just can't get nothing. I went like 2 weeks without being able to cop from either one of the companies I buy from, but hopefully that will change. I'm gonna quit rambling, man. Make sure y'all follow me everywhere down below. Appreciate y'all time just watching these videos, man. Appreciate all y'all time. The support y'all show me is amazing, so thank you for that. I'm out. Peace.